Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to allow automatic refresh on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to these three lines right here, then go to the settings and go to the general settings, and here you will find this allow automatic refresh. You can just click on it right here and it will be saved successfully. As you see here, the content will not be automatically refreshed except for restarting, and that's it. That's how to turn on the automatic refresh easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.